Hi there. So this is Saurav. So welcome to my search engine optimization smartness tutorial. So today I'm going to talk not too much about search engine optimization (SEO). But I'm going to touch upon three key elements of SEO which are really underrated. One of them is really underrated. And I'm going to just touch upon them and then give you a spiel of how search engine optimization can really be better built for your own brand and your company. So let's dive in. First, let me share my screen. There you are. So first, safe harbor. I'm going to talk about search engine smartness from a lens of what kind of the kind of work that I do for my clients, and based on the research that I've been doing over the past 20 years while I have been a digital marketing and technology leader. Of course, this particular tutorial is not a silver bullet, and it's not a solution to all challenges that marketers face. And hence, you need to go to an expert to seek a particular solutions to particular problems that you might have. I'm also an influencer, and I'm not really pushing anybody to buy or purchase any product. But you will find some affiliate links at the description down below, and if you happen to click on them, on any one of them, and purchase a particular product, I will probably earn a commission, and that will help me and motivate me to do more research and bring more such tutorials to you in the future. So let's dive in first. First, search engine optimization, SEO. So there, essentially, what is it? So it essentially means how do you align your website to drive traffic through the search ecosystem. Search ecosystem is today dominated by Google and Bing. Now, the whole aim is to drive quality traffic and volume, great volume of quality traffic onto your website. And it also, the emphasis is on how do you rank your website on the search ecosystem? How do you take it to #1 ranking on the search ecosystem? Now, marketing essentially has two strategies, a push strategy and a pull strategy. So search engine optimization is a pull strategy because you're trying to pull traffic onto your website. Now, the first element, let's talk about the first element, backlinks. So what are backlinks? So backlinks are all hyperlinks that point towards your website. So imagine you have third-party external website channels that's pointing to your own website. That's a backlink. Now, where are those external websites? They could be blogs, could be videos, could be YouTube video, could be press releases, could be social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, could be directories, and could be many such platforms which are driving traffic to your website. Those are called backlinks. The second element is the expired domains. Now, what happens is you start your own company and you buy a domain, but you later find out a year down the line that your company is not doing any good business. Hence, you decide to shut it down. You shut down the company, you shut down the website, but the domain still remains there, although it's not used anymore. So expired domains are those domains whose websites or URLs are no longer being used. Now, the whole strategy is, now, when those domains were in full working condition, there were obviously many links which were pointing to those domains. Now, and they are still currently pointing to those domains. How about you go and buy those domains and you redirect those links which are pointing to those domains expired domains onto your web page. Now you might turn around and tell me, well, this is not ethical and it's probably not a best practice. Well, the answer is yes or no. So according to Google's John Mueller, these things do happen and there's nothing wrong with it. All that you've got to be mindful of is how do you execute them? How do you get quality traffic onto your website? If the quality of traffic coming through those expired domains is not so good, then obviously Google is going to pull your ranking down. So you will find the interview on this particular link that I've put in over there. And now there are certain salient points which you need to be mindful of. First, how do you buy those expired domains? Where do you get that with quality backlinks? So all that you've got to do is to look for domains with higher authority. You have to look for domains whose content is similar, pretty much similar to your own content. So let's say if you're a healthcare company, you must look at expired domains from previously healthcare domains. You must also look at the search phrases for your site, which is in the URL of the expired domain that you will use. And fourth, links on all third-party sites have the right anchor text with keywords in the same language. So if you found that your expired domain matches these 4 conditions, go ahead and purchase. And then point the entire domain using a 301 redirect to your target domain. And then voila, you wait for a couple of weeks, let the Google crawlers crawl the links, and then you measure the results. So that's it. And it's pretty smart and very quick. Third point. Now, why is it important to get a high ranking on page? Essentially, there are 2 premises. One is, not all websites are equal in quality. And great websites are not likely to link to poor quality websites, or through duplicated content, or through syndicated content campaigns. But all good quality links which are pointing to one website will mean that inward linking website must be really, really good. That brings me to the quality profiles of the links. So there are many, many parameters which you can actually use to qualify the profiles of the link quality. And I'm going to name a few of them. One of them is the authoritative domain. So let's say if you have links coming in from PayPal. PayPal is an established company, or from Facebook, or from YouTube. So that's an authoritative domain. Or it's coming from an email server, SMTP domain server. So obviously that's an authoritative domain. Now, the comprehensive content. So how well the content is written on those websites. Are they in line with the best practices followed in the search engine optimization protocols? So that's another criteria that you need to consider. Third, what is the quality of backlinks, which we just spoke in the previous slide? Good quality backlinks. So if many good quality backlinks point towards a certain website, that inward pointing website must be really, really good. Well, there are many more such points. There are more technical points. Page loading speed, number of referring domains, web authority, title tags with keywords, keyword optimized H1 tags must correlate with higher first page rankings, and there are many more. All these elements contribute to a very successful search engine optimization project for your web page, for your brand, for your website. So that's it, guys. So this was short and small tutorial. I hope it helps you. And my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You can go to my LinkedIn and you'll get a profile of my experience. I can send you a free copy of this tutorial if you would click on that particular link and leave behind your email address, name, and I will have that email to you for with a downloadable link. And I'm also a consultant, so I run a consulting company in digital marketing and technology. I have a back-end team which develops products, technology products. So you can reach out to me if you want me to consult you for your company or your startup. All you have to do is to click yes, and there we go. So I will be I will be there with you to take you through all the challenges that you face in your business. Well, thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel. Please like it. Please share it with your friends and other folks that are in your business fraternity. And I will be back with the next tutorial in a few days' time, which will be on review management. How do you generate leads using review management? Till then, see you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.